How to send a message to a user if he is commenting on our post on Facebook. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video we will sort it out for you how to set up automatic messages to be sent if a user comments on our post on Facebook, on a specific post or any post. Okay guys, go to Smart Messenger, menu Grow Tools, and here we choose the menu Facebook Comments. This tools allows you to perform various actions when user replies to your Facebook post. Click this menu and we can create our first rules. Okay guys, click the button Create and name, for example, second, and select the page. I have a lot of pages and I choose this Chatbot for business and continue. Click the number 2 and here we can set up our rules. Here, like on Instagram, there may be various settings if a user comments on your post. We can just auto-reply to a user comments, or we can auto-reply to a user comment and also send a message to the messenger, Facebook Messenger. It depends our goals. Now I will show you two examples. I will just set it up automatic replies to the user under the comments, and the second example I will set up auto replies for the user under the comments, and we will also create a message that will be sent to him in the case this message. Of course, we will be sent only if he comments on the post and follows the rules that we will introduce. The first step, and you need to know, if a user matched more than one rule, the first rules will be used. Remembering this, go to the menu Setup. Here we can choose all posts, new posts, a specific post. For example, I want the first a specific post. Select the post and here I choose my post. Okay? We can additional setting for Facebook posts. Check all level comments. For example, some user comments your post and another users reply for some comment. We can check all levels comments, or we can leave only one level comments. It depends your goals. I choose check all level comments. The next, you can like the created comments or post. I won't like the created comments or post. Okay, and here our next rules. Exclude comments with these keywords. If the user comments, for example, word hi, our rules not working. Or if the user comments some specific keywords, this rule will be work. For example, I want send some message or I want reply the post if the user writing word work. For example, in my example, I leave all of this empty. This is my decision. Okay guys? Next step, auto response. If user comments my post any level comment, I send him reply. For example, thanks. And next replies, thanks, and something else. Okay? And update. And continue. Go to main console, my rules, and activate these rules. What does it mean? If the user comment my this post, I send him auto reply thanks or anything else. It is all my rules. And I create my second rule. If user comment my post, I want to send some message in Facebook Messenger. Okay? Activate it, sorry. And create menu rules. For example, third rule, select the page, Chatbot for business, and continue. Clicking this commit, and first set up which post. For example, I want all my posts, all level, like the created comments or post, but I won't send some gift, some discount user if he's writing the word I want or want. Okay, only this word. Auto response. I don't use auto response. What does it mean? Again, the user comments all my posts and write in comments word one, the first update, I send him some message general and create for this message. This is my first technical step, and I add my first message. That is, remember, the first message, it is always short with a button that leads to the next messages it can be. We must definitely transfer him to the next part of the funnel. I propose some gift. To receive a gift, click on the next button. I add button next. Allows activation of this button several times. And next, I add some funnels, text. Here your discount and, for example, some discount, or I can assign some funnels here. It is depend on your scenarios. Subscribe to funnel, and I choose any funnels, for example. But the first message all time short with button. Okay, guys? Autumn, not continue, not automatically, after button, and publish. Okay, go to Grow Tools again, Facebook Comments, and activate. So friends, the first we can simply configure reply to the user who commented on the post, and second, we can also send a message to the messenger. It all depends on your business scenarios. Okay guys, like and subscribe to our video. See you soon guys.